Llundain heddiw ar gyfer cam nesaf frwydr yn erbyn pelona ar draws Ynys Môn. I've gone to London this morning as part of the campaign against having new pylons across Anglesey. Mi fyddai'n cyfarfod ynghyd ar aelod seneddol Albert Owen ac arweinydd y cyngor Ian Williams efo cynrychiolwyr o'r grid ag o Ofgem y rheoleiddiwr yni a Horizon hefyd mwyn parhau i roed y ddadl na pam bod rhaid buddsoddi mwyn pobl Ynys Môn mewn rhywbeth ar wahân i'r ffordd rata o wneud cysylltiad trydan sef pelonau uwch ben y ddaear. Mae'r buddsoddiad yn digwydd mewn rhannau eraill o Brydain, mae rhaid iddo fo ddigwydd yn Ynys Môn hefyd, a hynny lles safon fyw ar yr ynys, ond hefyd materion economaidd. Allwn ni ddim fforddio anharddu cefnwlad Ynys Môn o'r pelona. So this meeting today is happening with the MP Albert Owen and the leader of Anglesey Council Ian Williams. We're meeting officials from National Grid and also Ofgem, the energy regulator, and Horizon too. It's important that we continue to make the case for additional investments, as is happening in other parts of the UK. Instead of grids just going for the cheapest possible option of making an electricity connection, which is overhead pylons. We know that would be bad for Anglesey, just for quality of life and the visual environment, but also for the economy. We know how important tourism is for Anglesey. So that meeting's happening this morning. I'll update you later.